Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be dialing your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24.
I'm sorry, guys. Come on.
Ready to switch your third car. Please sit down. Thank you. An 11-year-old girl up there dig in and start working hard. That's it. Is the rise overrun in real life.
When I'm without you, boy, I feel safe. Think you were better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as
Today, those who have the left-hand side of the train are going to have an excellent view of Switchback.
If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that
Thank you for doing this.
so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be dialing your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you were better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
煎饺，他刚刚在讲 pan fry。
不是啊，光鲜一下，借来。
泡菜，它的泡菜是辣咸。
Than my prescription. Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you were better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
这还好吧，我比国外不像台湾人那个。
拍什么？好多鸟。
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. You kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7 when I'm without.
看一下那片白紫色。
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7 when I'm without you.
趁我在等洗澡的这个间段，我来录一下今天的结尾。我现在已经卸完妆了。明天是美国行的，算是最后一天。就是最后一天有行程，我们是后天下午1点的飞机，所以后天就不会有行程。明天是最后一天一整天的行程这样子。今天也算是很充实的一天，也蛮好玩的。就是可能因为我们小孩比较慢熟，所以到今天才有意义上的，就是会有聊天啊什么的。就是跟我们一起同行来美国行的同行的小孩都是在国1、国2，就是那种小孩，所以一开始会不知道要聊什么，但是今天就是有开始聊，然后有一起玩游戏什么的，感觉这个旅程已经渐渐的圆满。那希望明天也会是很开心的一天。我们明天见，拜拜。
Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with always running in circles, try to make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spend a couple of hours, alright, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. 'Cause I have been planning for quite a long while, asking your friends how to best make you smile. And I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset. And I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with.
Boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. I'm wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. 'Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time and patiently giving you reasons to find the courage to say what you're wanting to do. I just wanna hear this from you. Can we dance in the moonlight,
Hold hands if the mood's right,
make plans till the sunrise
and sleep till noon. I'll take you
to the beach, get our toes wet
and leave after sunset.
and I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with you.
La da 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 dry, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet, leave after sunset, and I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end.
Spaghetti burger。丢出来的。汤还是酱？搞不清楚。
刚好让你不知道它到底是这样。
I can see from your expression。
会不会这种？
就是啊妈。So I'll show you。
哎，我喜欢这个。
我不喜欢这个味
你喜欢
道。
这个吗？是这个，你玩这个是这个。
Make up my mind. Should I ask you? I'm too scared to ask, but I'll probably ask you this time. Spent a couple of hours, a couple of days, trying to choose where I wanna take you and rehearsing what I'm gonna say. 'Cause I have been planning for quite a long while. Been asking your friends how to best make you smile. And I don't wanna mess up like I always do when I try to say this to you. Can we dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right, make plans to the sunrise and sleep till noon. I'll take you to the beach, get our toes wet and leave after sunset, and I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with.
Boy, you're running in circles, you're always on my mind. I'm wondering when you will tell me that you really wanna be mine. Spent a couple of hours and a couple of days thinking that maybe I read the wrong signs and that you just don't feel the same way. 'Cause I have been waiting for quite a long time and patiently giving you reasons to find courage to say what you're wanting to do. I just wanna hear this from you. Can we dance in the moonlight?
Hold hands if the mood's right,
Make plans till the sunrise
and sleep till noon. I'll take you to
the beach, get our toes wet,
and leave after sunset, and I would do it all again, 'cause I don't want my day to end with. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down streets she's walked 1,000 times.